So welcome to another video. So if you know, previously if you saw the video, we find out the minimum value in between two values by using the basic blocks, which are nothing but the relational operators. Okay, so many times if you gave any questions for interview purpose. Okay, so for interview, whenever people the interviewer definitely will ask you to find out the value. If you have one input and you have to find out from this two input or one input, which is value is greater than or less than. Okay, so here I use max block also, and for this to find out the in between two values, how we so how we'll find the maximum value without using max blocks, we'll see. Okay, so first I will just take one step. Okay, so let's control A, go to display, data display simulation, show value label of selected port. Okay, always do that because it will show you the input values which you are giving, the output values which you are giving. Okay, so let's see. So see, now we are finding the maximum value is fine, but suppose the both values are same, then what will happen? Okay, definitely they will ask you the question, so that time it will give the same value. Generally everyone will know that. Okay, but whenever you are developing the logic, okay, suppose this value is false, that time what value will give? So suppose you can connect these two here also or here also, because both are same values. Okay, so that's not a problem for us. So let's start now. See, here 12 and 45, same here 12 and 45 is there. So which is the maximum value? 45, so it will give 45 value. So here how it is comparing that? So 12 and 45, always see relational operator always compare values which is connected to second port. In respect of second port only it will come. Means if I connect second port 12 and it is 44 5, it will always show less value. Okay, I'll show that to you guys. Okay, so here let's see. If you are checking here, if you are checking for second one, I use 45. Okay, and the first one is my 12 value. Okay, for second one is my 12 value, first one is 45, so which is greater than 12, so this one is true. But here if you are checking 12 versus 45, so 12 is greater than 45, no it is not, so that's why it's false. So always keep in mind that it will compare the value with the second input. Okay, the lower input. Okay, so right, so we'll saw some again some values. So here if you are checking 1465, it's giving 65, 198 it's giving 98, 574 it's giving 74. So 1511, see here also if you are checking, the first input is greater than, okay, and the last one is 11, so that's why it's comparing with 11, it's true. Okay, so but if you are checking next also same, 95 24, 65 25, 25. Now here if you are checking, okay, here also it is checking which is the maximum value here, but if you are checking here 25 and here is 36, it's giving false. So always keep in mind that whenever you are checking the values with the relational operator, whoever value you are comparing with whom, the main value you have to connect with the lower input. Okay, always keep in that. So that's it, how to develop the logic for using the max block. And without using max blocks, I show you, you try this one, you try with another inputs, or take another more inputs, or you can by doing some other changes you can check that. Okay, so try to develop and learn more with me. Okay, bye bye, so we'll meet into the next video.